How to use ActiveTrail email marketing properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. ActiveTrail is a robust email marketing platform, but most beginners fail to use it effectively. The surprising truth is that sending emails without strategy often leads to low engagement, unsubscribes, and wasted time. The first big mistake is not segmenting your contacts. ActiveTrail allows detailed segmentation by behavior, location, and purchase history. Beginners often send generic emails to all subscribers, which reduces open rates. For example, sending a promotion to inactive subscribers separately can help re-engage them without annoying active users. Another common error is ignoring automation. ActiveTrail offers automated workflows for welcome emails, cart abandonment, and follow-ups. Many beginners send everything manually, which wastes time and misses critical engagement opportunities. Setting up automated sequences ensures timely and relevant communication with your audience. Design mistakes also cost conversions. ActiveTrail provides templates and drag and drop editors, but beginners often create emails that aren't mobile-friendly or visually appealing. Testing your emails on multiple devices before sending is essential for maximum impact. Many users skip app testing, another costly error. Testing subject lines, email content, and thetas allows you to optimize campaigns based on real results rather than assumptions. Even a small tweak in wording can dramatically increase click-through rates. Finally, beginners often overlook analytics. ActiveTrail tracks opens, clicks, bounces, and unsubscribes. Monitoring these metrics helps you understand what works and adjust your strategy accordingly. Ignoring analytics means missing insights that could boost performance. To use ActiveTrail properly, segment your audience, leverage automation, design visually appealing emails, conduct app tests, and monitor analytics. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and your email campaigns will drive higher engagement, more conversions, and long-term growth.